Hey awesome viewers, hope you are doing great. This is Vishwanath and I'm a tech guy. Technology is important because it makes you feel more secure with every area in our life, both personally and business reasons. New emerging technologies are blockchain and artificial intelligence. Today we are going to discuss blockchain basics and its next level of internet. Let's go into the details. Blockchain concept explained generally to understand how blockchain works. In ancient days, a group of people considered gems and diamonds are most valuable and used to trade for exchange the goods. People used mental ledger to remember the assets, where all the people kept a copy of ledger in the brain. Everyone knows who owned these gems at any time in the group. These gems are used to exchange cattle, land and weapons. When two persons are wish to transact, they should announce the transaction to the whole people. When a transaction is announced, all the people update their brains with their ledger. All people maintain one ledger in their brains with the transaction records. This is called decentralized system and trustless environment. Instead of trusting one person or a group of people, if any one person does a fake transaction or give incorrect information, then whole people did not accept it. So here no ownership but democracy with decentralized system. If a person found new gem, then he should announce to whole group. Few people verify that gem and authenticate that gem is real. And now everyone update their ledger with memorizing of this new entry. We see distributed decentralized system. Public ledger impossible to change all mind since everyone has a copy. Trustless system means no need to trust a single person. This is simple example to understand how blockchain system works. Let's go deep dive into the how blockchain works. A blockchain is a chain of blocks which contain information. The data which is stored inside the block depends on the type of the blockchain. I took example of the public blockchain. A block contains data, hash and previous hash. The first block in the blockchain is called Genesis block. If you look at the detail of each block contain its version information, nonce, timestamp, Merkle and list of the transaction. Hash. SHA-256 generates an almost unique 250 byte signature and it's also called a finger pseudo print. This is high secured algorithm and this is used most of the military systems. In the current example, 3 blocks of the blockchain. Second block create based on the previous block 1 and the block 3 creates with the previous hash of the block 2. All blocks contain hash of the previous blocks. This is a technique that makes a blockchain so secure. You can observe block 3 hash is the same as a block 2 hash value. All blocks became a series of blocks and called a blockchain. Blockchain used to distribute peer-to-peer network and everyone allows to join. When someone enter to the network, he get the full copy of the blockchain. Each computer is called a node and nodes are connected across the world and everyone can download the copy of the blockchain with high security. Why we called blockchain is an ultimate technology for future generation. Let's go point by point. Decentralized technology. The network is the decentralized meaning it does not have any governance authority or a single person look after a framework. Rather, a group of nodes maintain the network, making it decentralized. As a system does not require any governance authority, we can directly access it from the web and store our assets there.
You will have direct control over them with your private keys. With the decentralized system, less failures, user control, no third party, zero scams. Transparency and people authentication. Let's see another point. Immutability. Immutability means something that cannot be changed or altered. This is one of the blockchain features that helps to ensure the technology will remain as it is, a permanent unalterable network. Banking system is a centralized authority for a group of people and they can play with your money. In blockchain, every node on a system has a copy of digital ledger. To add a transaction, every node need to check its validity. If the majority thinks it's valid, then it can be added to the ledger. This promotes transparency and make it corruption proof. Once the transaction block get added to the ledger, no one can go back and change it. Most important in the blockchain is security. Well, it's extremely secured because of the cryptography protection. Cryptography is a complex mathematical algorithm that acts as a firewall for attackers. Any input given through a mathematical algorithm that produce a different kind of values, but the length is always fixed. You can see example on the small window.
This is SHA-56 algorithm is high secured algorithm which is used in many blockchain projects. Let's see how it functions. It takes a number or a word or even a book of input and it gives a fixed 256 byte output. Let's see example how it works. My name is Vishwanath and I am doing good. If you look at this output hash value, it is in a fixed 256 format. Like that, if you change a dot also like full stop, the whole hash will be changed. Like that, it is a very secured algorithm. If you are trying to change one character of the input, then whole output is going to be changed. So hacking and guessing is almost impossible. It works 2 to the power of 256 and it takes many years to guess a supercomputer also.
So highly impossible to crack this security layer. If someone want to corrupt the network, he or she want to alter every data stored on the every node in the network. This could be millions of people where everyone has the same copy of ledger. Accessing and hacking millions of computers is next to impossible and costly. Distributed ledgers. The ledger on the network is maintained by all other users on the system. This distributed the computational power across the computer to ensure a better outcome. In blockchain, another important topic is consensus. The consensus is the decision making process for a group of nodes active on the network. Here the nodes come to an agreement quickly and relatively fast. When millions of nodes are validating a transaction, a consensus is absolutely necessary for a system to run smoothly. You could think of it's a kind of voting system where the majority wins and the minority has to support it. Another most important feature in the blockchain is settlements, that is called real-time settlements. Traditional banking systems are quite slow. Sometimes it takes days to process a transaction after filing all settlements. Blockchain are very too fast and they can easily use to send money to their loved ones. Say example, I stay in US and if I want to send a $10,000 money to my home country, it will go in seconds like a minutes and with a low fees. This is the beauty of the blockchain technology. Also, blockchain is the next level of internet technology. Now we saw how our lives are changed with the internet, and another superior level technology is, come on guys, that's called blockchain. If you like this content, then please do a like, share, comment and subscribe. Catch you on next videos. Stay safe and enjoy the life.